Hey everyone, it's Jed Joling with eXp Realty here in Southern Oregon, and today is Tuesday, June 25th. We're almost here to 4th of July, another week to go, and we will be there. But we've got a market update here for Jackson and Josephine County, so we'll jump into that. Right now, between the counties in the residential category, we have 1,240 actively listed homes. That's up just over 9% from where we were a year ago at about 1,126. Last week we had 120 new listings hit the market, 94 listings went pending, 76 closed, and 28 off the market due to expired or canceled listing contracts. If we take that data and compare it to our 4-week average, we are up 4.5 on that new listing count, down almost 11 on that pending count, and down 8.5 on the closed count for that week. If we take these numbers and compare them to the same week last year, a year ago, we were down 20% on the new listings count, down 21% on the pending count, and down 1.3% on the closed count. So currently, what we've got going here with the 1,240 homes on the market at our 4-week average closings of 84.5 closings per week puts us at 3.4 months of inventory on our market, meaning if we stopped all new listings today, we would make it 3.4 months before we sold what we have sitting on our market. Out of that 120 new listings last week, 14 of those have already gone pending, which is about 12%. Our mortgage rates today, the national average for a 30-year conventional fixed mortgage is at 7.03%, and for the FHA is at 6.48%. And where we were a year ago on that conventional was 6.92%. and the FHA was 6.62%. So we are not too far off of where we were a year ago. And as I had said in the previous update, we are expecting just one Fed rate cut this year now, probably at the end of the third or beginning of the fourth quarter of the year. And that will help our rates out a little bit as we head into the winter season. But they have more Fed rate cuts on the forecast for next year. So if you're expecting that rates are going to be down at 6% this year, and that's what you're waiting for, it's very unlikely that that will happen. It is likely that maybe at the end of the year, and I mean December at the end of the year, that we see rates, somewhere in between 6.5% to 6.75%. That's much more likely. But if you're waiting for 6%, you might be waiting all the way until later next year. It could be possible, but I don't foresee that happening this year at all. Don't have much else to share with you other than just what we went over there. It's pretty short and sweet market update today. Things are certainly still moving. It's the season for real estate right now here in Southern Oregon. The weather is warm, and we haven't seen a lick of rain here in a little bit, but people like shopping in the sunshine. So we have seen a lot of showings happening. The higher price points aren't moving near as fast as they do sometimes in the past, but anything in the more competitive price ranges, 300,000 to 500,000, still seems to move pretty quickly, and especially if those are presented and priced well. So if you have any questions about buying or selling here in our market, or you are looking to become a real estate agent yourself, feel free to reach out. I'm always happy to take questions and have conversations. And my cell phone number is 541-761-7770. Once again, thank you for watching these market update videos, and you guys have a great rest of the week.